It's okay, babe. You're threatened sometimes.
Threatened what?
I'm a badass. I know. A lot of people tell me, but gotta keep it a secret.
Was that from a movie?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. How are you guys doing today? Today we are having some McDonald's. Some Big Mac, some fries, some chicken nuggets, a lot of sauces, and a lot of serranos. So before we do get started, thank you guys so much for being here today. I really do appreciate you guys. If you guys could take your time to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, that way you guys get notified when I drop a video, because you know we always like to eat and talk shit and just have fun, you know. Sometimes you just gotta have fun. So don't forget to again subscribe. And also I have Eric here today.
Say my name, say my name.
He's no longer here. Oh my gosh. So yeah guys, we're gonna get started on this meal and I'll talk to you in just a little bit. And don't worry guys, I'm not eating all of this. One's for Eric, one's for me. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not Eric. It's Babe. Babe, I love you so much. I
Why
don't
are you
have my rings
knife
on.
me? Wow.
It's okay, babe. You're threatened sometimes.
Threatened what?
I'm a badass. I know. A lot of people tell me, but gotta keep it a secret.
Was that from a movie? Was that from a fucking movie? What the fuck? I also want to do scripts from fucking movies.
It wasn't from a movie.
I was like, am I gonna die here? Someone gonna choke me to death?
Hey, Mama. Get him.
Oh my god, you're a fool.
No, you're a fool.
No, because the way you were saying it, I was like,
It did sound like all fucking mafia.
well,
Huh?
mafia now. I was like, is this where I die?
Okay, guys, we are back. See? It wasn't all for me. These are not all for me either. Homeboy's gonna be coming in and out. So let's get started. How are you guys doing today? It's been a short week so far. It's only Tuesday.
It's only Tuesday. I was like,
It's only Tuesday.
are we in the
So,
same days?
Also got some serranos.
You know what? I was gonna walk in every day after work and be like, "Is it Friday yet? Is it Friday yet?"
I was already wishing that. Not wishing it, but you know. Here, look at.
It looks small, but it hits the spot.
Small. Look, yeah, I took off my nails, guys.
Yeah, that burger is really big now.
It probably does.
Why'd you get this one?
Hmm?
Why'd you get this one? Cooties?
No, because I need.
Wow.
Oh. What do you guys usually get at McDonald's? Probably like our go-to, huh?
Huh?
The honey mustard.
Oh.
Some barbecue. Not barbecue. Some barbecue and sweet and sour.
Oh, talk to me nice.
Talking.
Oh, speaking.
Speaking. Want to see if this will work a little better, like to present my food a little higher? Let me know.
We can't see your face.
I'm already short as this, so I feel like half of my head's already like missing. How are you guys doing today? What do you guys want to talk about?
The movie that we watched last night.
Oh,
The best
okay.
game ever played.
So Eric's been really into like basketball, golfing.
Jesus Christ.
My bad. So golfing. He's been like really into golfing lately. So we watched this movie that one of his friends actually recommended. Adrian, what was it called?
Best game ever played.
Best game ever played. Honestly,
With Shia LaBeouf.
Shia LaBeouf. So it's a golf movie, but it's honestly really interesting. What year is it based off of?
1913.
I guess when golf was like first created.
No.
No? Oh, my bad.
Golf started in Scotland years ago. I think it was like 1800s. So, I guess, I don't know. They decided to have a American league. I don't know. But overall, the story was pretty nice. Because he was what do you call it? Like an amateur player?
Yeah. So he wasn't making money, and you know his father was always
Poor.
Yeah. So his father's mentality was at the time like, you're the man of the house. You provide, you work. You know, you don't do anything for free. Basically, like you go to college and you make your decent living for your family. And he was like the total opposite. Like he wanted to pursue his dream regardless if it paid or not. It was a little inspiring. It was a good movie.
Motivating.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shia LaBeouf looked young.
He was really young in that movie.
I think it was like, actually, Shia LaBeouf, his best movie ever was Holes.
Really?
Yeah. Well, in my part, I think.
Really?
Yeah. Holes was. I love that movie.
Yeah, I know, of course. That's like a classic.
You know why? Because like, I think Holes was like the first book I actually read to myself.
So like instead of like your teacher telling you like,
Yeah, like
read page 20 to like 35.
Yeah, like
That's
How
all
to Kill Like a
35.
Mockingbird. You know that one. You know, it's just like ugh. Here we go again.
Again, you read that movie before?
I read the book, but I'm just saying
I
like.
said movie, huh?
But I'm just saying like teachers telling you what to read, and, you know, this and that, and I'm like, ugh, it sounds boring. But that book was pretty nice.
I agree though. But it was honestly motivating in a sense where like sometimes you got to think about it and people think your dreams are unrealistic, but at the same time it's like no one's going to understand what you're really motivated to do, especially if it's in a career where you know people are not familiar with, or it's not something that is like you know, like the usual, like, you know, a doctor, a lawyer, you know, a realtor,
No,
you know, like.
Well, like a trade job. Like,
But like, you know, I see a lot of artists getting like put down, like because a lot of people think that that's not an unrealistic job, and I'm kind of glad that like now, it's been like.
more open.
Yeah, it's been like recognized a lot more because people's artistry and like people's like way of like, you know, like kind of like letting their
Art speak for itself. Basically.
yeah, So it's not just drawing. Like art can mean like, videoing, like, editing. That's a form of art.
It really is. I think editing
Painting.
is such a like money maker.
Like, yeah, movies and short clips and
Oh, did you hear about the girl?
God, let me know if I'm missing. I know I'm missing like a tons of shit, but
Did you hear about the girl? She went to IKEA, posting. I don't know. I didn't read the whole article, but I guess she got dressed up and then she went to IKEA. You know when you go to IKEA, there's like stages, and then each stage has their own stage. So if you go to a kitchen, there's like six of them.
Different, like, yeah.
So I guess she went to this and took professional photos. And then I guess someone called her out on it. I don't know, something like that. But it just shows how like editing, like a video from pictures.
My ass could be ginormous as shit, and I could fucking edit it to be like all thin and skinny, I could have no ass, and I edit it to have a, like it's.
But overall, I think that movie was pretty good.
Yeah, it really was. It really was. Let me know if you guys watched it before. What is it called again?
Best game ever played.
Best game ever played. It was a good movie. That's weird, huh? That is weird. I'm sorry I did that. I apologize. That serrano wasn't hot.
This one is not either. What's that fine here? There's some that really honestly think like 4 bites, I'm done.
Like, because they are spicy?
No, yeah, because they are spicy. It's just like, I can't even take this one.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
These are my favorite.
Oh, no, I can't. Yeah, and then it scares me when you smash it a little bit with your hands.
They're called toreándolos.
Oh, my God, I panic.
Like, you want to piss them off like a bull.
I panic when I see you do that. And I'm like, oh, my God, my career's ruined.
Yeah.
No, I get scared when you do that. When you do that, it's because you probably took a bite and then now you're like, ooh.
No, but I never do that. No, I never do that. I never taste it and then do it. I always do it to all of ours. It's just a habit for mine of grabbing some and just like rolling them.
God. Oh my God.
My mom always be like, así lo haces más picoso. I'm like,
I hope it's a lie.
no. It's never lied to me. Oh, sometimes.
I got mine here.
That one's spicy though.
Which one? Oh, this one's too.
Ugh. I'm so hungry, I just want to swallow everything. I have a really bad eating habit. I could eat. I come home and I like eat a bag of cucumbers before I would eat anything else in the world. Can you give that to me? They're little to this season, so you can't, like, come on. Cucumbers are life. If someone made me choose what type of, it's a vegetable. excuse me, what type of vegetable you want it to be.
Are you sure it's a vegetable?
It has seeds in it.
Well, it's a fruit.
Oh yeah, you're right. What did they say? No, they said that. That's a good question. It's not a fruit. It has to be a vegetable. But then I thought about it. An apple has seeds, so that can't be a vegetable. I don't know what I'm talking about.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit. What reason would it
By
be?
this definition, a cucumber is a fruit. It's developed from a flower of a cucumber flower, a plant. It contains the seeds. This also means that lots of other vegetables are also fruits.
A tomato is a vegetable or a fruit?
It's a fruit.
Because of the seed, right?
Because of the seeds.
Okay, so my bad. I knew something had to do with seeds. I just didn't know what.
Beans, peppers, pumpkins, and
Pumpkins
of course,
are fruits?
And of course, tomatoes.
Because that was always the big controversy if it was a fruit or a... Might be. I was wrong.
Yeah, you probably were absent in the 4th grade class. And you missed potatoes. Veggies, I don't know.
Potatoes.
Yeah. Isn't it the same? Isn't that the same? Potatoes?
Yeah. Wait, so I missed the same thing?
No. I'm just saying. I'm just talking shit. I'm just like, oh, you kind of confused.
Hey, that's what I was trying to get out of him. He's talking shit. What you was talking shit for, homie?
Ugh,
What's up, busy?
Eat your burger and finish it for once.
You gonna call me out like that?
Yeah.
The whole meal disappears in a snap.
Huh.
Every time we eat McDonald's, and believe it or not, we don't eat it often. This is like a fucking you've been rewarded meal. But every time we do eat this, I can never eat it without like a chile. Well, to be honest, I can't eat shit without chile.
Right.
It's so bad.
You gotta get closer. Here.
Yummy, yummy. Up, up. Not that up. Okay,
Look at it.
Sorry, I don't know who invited him. I did. It was me.
Oh man.
It's me.
Why is it every single time I eat dinner, I think about like cookies and milk? All the time.
I cannot know how he does. I don't know how he does it. Like seriously, sometimes I sit there and I'm just like, you ate like 30 tacos, or you had like 2 hamburgers right now. Not two hamburgers. No, he can never do two hamburgers. But you probably can, huh?
Yeah.
You just hide your figure.
No, pues.
No, but I only take a bite. Like, can I have a salad? Hey, yo, low-key, I'm obsessed with salads, though.
You try salads in every restaurant that we go to.
I do. I don't know what... It's just the veggies.
But I think the best salad... Oh, Pollo Loco had the good salads. But they fucked up.
Yeah, they switched
What was it called?
up.
It was the Mexican?
The Mexican Cobb salad. But for some reason, like, I don't know, like, what happened? They still have good salads, but
Yeah. And then after that one, BJ's.
their barbecue salad.
BJ has good salads. Let's see what else? What else? You make good salads too. Excuse me. You make pretty good salads too.
I do.
Yeah.
Really, you like my salads?
Yeah.
I always thought that you never liked them.
Yeah. Even that, you know, I think what makes a good salad when they have those.
When I'm in it.
Ah. No, there's those yellow peppers.
Pepperoncinis?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Honestly, like, I don't even need ranch. Well, like a little splash of ranch, but those what do you call those square crunchy balls? I want to say granolas for some reason.
Croutons?
Croutons. And with some croutons and all that, with some spice, I can fuck with that. That's good. But yeah, Pollo Loco and BJ's.
True. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for being here. This is the end of our video. We had a good time. We had a nice little feast. That's for sure. Look at that burger. 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 Yeah, look at that. I killed it. Yeah, that was me.
Oh, he did. Oh, he needs some milk.
Oh, he needs some milk. But you guys, thank you guys so much for having us today. I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you get notified when I post another video. Because we badass. Huh.
Chess.
I had to get that approval to make sure we were that badass. I'm just kidding.
Check.
But again, thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like I mentioned. Hit that notification bell and comment down below. And make sure you like this video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Because it's coming. It's coming. And we cool. Why are you looking at me like that? It gets me nervous.
Why? 'Cause I'm handsome?
For 5 years, probably 5.
Go!